You are welcome to the Igbo tutor. We are committed to teaching you how to speak and write Igbo language. In case you are joining us for the first time, we'll advise you to go back to our previous lessons 1.1 and 1.2. Therein we dealt extensively with the writing of the Igbo alphabet, ABD Igbo. To us, we feel that knowing how to write them is the first step. We moved you from English alphabet, which we felt you knew, to the Igbo alphabet. You need to know that first as the foundation before you join us to learn how to pronounce the letters of the alphabet. So if you've not done that, we'll encourage you to do that first before moving on to pronouncing the letters of the alphabet. Today, as we go on to pronounce the letters, there's something we would like you to do first. We would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Igbo Tutor. Doing this will help you to get connected, get updates, and even participate in the exercise. You need to watch our previous lessons, like them, and then share with your friends as part of your contribution to encourage us to move on and help others who are also in need. We are also present in the Twitter platform. Our Twitter handle is @the Igbo Tutor. So you do well to follow us on Twitter so that we can interact. We also have our lessons uploaded to the platform. Also, we are available in the Facebook. Our Facebook page is Igbo Tutor. Join our teaming friends. Let's share, let's interact, and let's learn together. Today, like I told you earlier, we are moving on to learning how to pronounce the letters of the Igbo alphabet. You are welcome on board. No one name. Let us go. We're starting with A. A as in aka. A as in aka, hand. B as in ball. B as in ball. We don't have ball in Igbo as it were, but the word is borrowed and adapted, which is allowed in language. So we have ball. Chi as in chinchi. Chi as in chinchi, bed bug. Remember, CH replaced C. In Igbo language, there is no more C, but we have chi. D as in dinta. D as in dinta, hunter. E as in eke. eke, python. E as in eke, python. Fe, fe as in fair, fair, fly. Gay, gay as in gore, gore, read. Bwe, bwe, bwe as in bam bam. Remember, this is a variation of G. G has GB, GW, and GH added to it. So pay attention to the pronunciation of these variations. Bwe as in bam bam, zinc. A name derived from the sound this object makes when it's been hit with a hammer. Bam bam. Re, ye as in ra, ye as in ra, so. Gwe, gwe as in guam, gwe as in guam, tell me. He as in hua, he as in hua, roast. E as in ite, ite, pot. We have a variation of this. Next. A as in eba. The one without dot under is pronounced E, while this is pronounced A lighter. Eba, drum. J as in G, yam. K as in karama, bottle. A variation of K, KP, KW. Now we have KP, pronounced P, as in kpakpando. P as in kpakpando, star. Hwe as in hue, speak. Le as in lay, see. me, or depending on where you want to use it. Me or like in this case, mbe, turtle. Ni or depending on the usage. Or ni, as in ngaji, spoon. A variation of n with dot on top, pronounced nge, nge. The mouth is open, but with restriction of the flow of air, with the tongue almost on the roof of the mouth. As in ngoria, rejoice. Nwe, the other one is this one is nwe. The mouth is freer now. Nwe, as in nwa, child. Ni, as in nye, as in nye, give. O, as in okay. O, as in okay, rat. There's a variation of O with dot under, pronounced O. The one without dot is O. This is O lighter, as in oko, fire. P, as in poor. P, as in poor, gets out. Re, as in rear. Re, as in rear, eat. C, as in sear, cook. C, as in sear, cook. A variation of C, she, as in Isha. We do not have many words beginning with she in Igbo, so we found this in the middle. Isha, shrimp. T, as in tar, chew. U, as in ugu, hill. We have a variation of u with dot under. It's pronounced O lighter. U without dot is U with dot is O, it's lighter. as in ụlọ, ụlọ, house. V, V, as in vor, vor, hatch. We, as in were, were, take. Ye, 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 as in your, sieve. Z, z, as in zacha, sweep. Z, as in zacha, sweep. With that, we come to the end of pronouncing the letters of the Igbo alphabet. You will do well to play this video over and over until you master the sounds of the letters. Pay attention to the letters with two alphabets joined together to make up one word, how they are pronounced. Also of importance are the letters with dots under and dots on top. Learn the differences and how they sound. As you do this and master these sounds, you have prepared yourself very well to move on to the next stage of this teaching, which is forming words and pronouncing words using the alphabet. Thank you for being with us, and God bless you.